Welcome to Ari Attempts. This is my cousin Mia. Today we're going to make marble cookies. Today we're making marble cookies. Take icing, sugar, and water and mix it up. I'm making this one pretty pink. Put it on your cookie. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of this really fun. Thanks for watching.
How do you spell your name?
A-R-I-A.
Mimi, how do you spell your name?
M-I-A.
Good job. Aria, how many cups of sugar do you put in these cookies?
3.
Ah, and Mia, how many eggs would you put in this recipe?
2.
Okay. What if you needed to beat the eggs? What would you use?
A whisk.
Good. Okay. Mia, what do you prefer, cupcakes or cookies?
Cookies.
All right, Aria, what about you?
I prefer cookies.
Okay, now what is your favorite flavor of icing?
Strawberry.
What about you, Mia?
Ice cream one.
Ice cream icing. Okay. And who do you like to share your cookies with, Aria?
Mommy and Daddy.
Mia, who do you share your cookies with?
Daddy.
Oh, is he over there?
Yeah.
Great.
Auntie Candace.
Wow.
Bye. Bye.
Apples?
I love apples.
Okay.
And watermelon. And raspberry. And strawberry. And watermelon. I love watermelon. I love watermelon and strawberry. I love watermelon. I'm going to show all my favorite fruits first. My favorite fruit.